Hello friend, today we are going to see how to perform rolling upgrade of your deployment in Kubernetes. In the productions, we always have some update from the development team and those changes we need to deploy it into the productions. So by the help of rolling upgrade, we can apply those changes without affecting the running applications. So our scenario is an application currently running on the Kubernetes cluster employ the Nginx servers. The application development team has introduced some recent changes need deployment and they have crafted an image 1.70 with the latest update. Execute the rolling update this application integrating the Nginx 1.17 email. The deployment name is the Nginx deployment and ensure all the pod are operational post update. So this is just one example. We can do the rolling upgrade in the similar way. So let's go through. So currently our application is running. If you see kubectl get deployment, we have the three pod and which are all are running. We can see the kubectl get pod, all pod are running fine. And if you see the current version of image, then we have the 1.16. We can see by the help of kubectl get deployment hyphen OYML and grab the image. Now we are going to kubectl get deployment hyphen OYML the name. Then we are going to grab the container name. So we have the container name Nginx containers. So to do the rolling upgrade, we require the container name. That's why we have run this command. So by the help of kubectl set image, then deployment and deployment name, then container name and the image name which version we are going to upgrade 1.17. Then you are able to see the deployment is upgraded successfully and a status you can see by the kubectl rollout a status deployment and deployment name. Here success means our update has done successfully, and same thing you can verify by the help of kubectl get deploy and grab the image. Then we have the 1.17 and previously we have the 1.16. So it's updated successfully, and similarly we can see after the upgrade our deployment is running fine and our pod is running also fine. So at one moment it's not going to upgrade all the three pod but one by one so that other two can take the traffic. Suppose we have the three pod, so first one is when upgrading these two versions should be in the lower versions so that it can take the traffic. Once this upgrade is done, then this will be take, then this will be take. So one by one it will be take so that it will be not affect the production traffic. So let's see this all these thing in our clusters. So the blog link I will give you in the resource part of this tutorial. So let's copy the first command, and this is our cluster where we are going to see our the deployment. So kubectl get deploy. So this is our deployment. We have Nginx deployment. Then we are going to check the pod, whatever the pod are running corresponding to that deployment. So these are the three pod which are running fine. Then next we are going to see the image of the deployment, which version of image currently we have in the productions. So currently we have the 1.16 image, and then next is the let's see the container name, because doing the upgrade we require the container name. So copy the command and paste it. All the command you are able to get from my blog and blog link I will be giving in the resource part of this video. So just press enter. So first one is the deployment name, second one is the replica name, third one is the container name. So we require the container name. The next command is to upgrade. So the command for the upgrade is, let's check. Command for upgrade is kubectl set image, then deployment name, then container name, whatever container name we have got here. Then image name, the latest image name 1.17. So let's run it. So it updated our latest image. Now check the status by the help of kubectl rollout status, deployment and deployment name. So we can see our rollout deployment is successful. It means image is upgraded successfully. Same thing we can confirm by the kubectl get deployment name -oml and then grab the image. So you can see here the image is updated 1.70. Currently we have the 1.16. Now next we can verify whether the deployment is running fine or not. So to check that one, we have the command kubectl get deploy and then deployment name. Then our deployment 3 by 3, all the 3 pod are running fine. So let's check the next step, which are the last step is check whether all the pod are came online and running fine or not. So our all the 3 pod are came online and running fine with the latest image. So in this way, in the productions, we can upgrade the latest image, whatever the changes done by the development team. Happy learning and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.